Imagine if I revealed that your body's defense mechanism isn't failing you. It's simply craving the proper fuel to unleash its full power. Day in and day out, your system battles unseen threats like germs, pollutants, and even stress. But so many folks overlook how much influence they hold over this vital shield. Forget about fancy potions or pricey add-ons. You've got the blueprint for a rock-solid immune setup right within reach, all through everyday choices. Hey there, folks! I'm Dr. John Barrasso, and you're tuned into Dr. Lab, the spot where cutting-edge science teams up with practical wellness tips. Today, we're exploring the secrets to supercharging your immune health the natural way, focusing on smart eating, solid shut-eye, active living, and a positive outlook. This isn't some flash-in-the-pan advice. We're talking about building routines that fortify your defenses so tough that sniffles, bugs, and burnout don't stand a prayer. Hang tight until the finish line, because I'll uncover the sneaky, everyday blunder that's quietly sabotaging your immune strength without you even noticing. Getting the basics. Your immune setup as a personal army. Picture your immune system as a highly trained security force patrolling your body 24/7. It's always on alert, warding off invaders such as viruses, bacteria, and harmful substances that sneak in through the air you breathe, the food you eat, or even a simple cut on your skin. This powerhouse operates in two key modes: the quick response team, which jumps into action right away to tackle any immediate dangers, and the smart memory squad, which learns from past encounters and launches targeted strikes against repeat offenders, like how vaccines train it to remember specific threats. When this system is firing on all cylinders, you bounce back from illnesses quicker, maintain steady energy levels, and might even notice your skin looking healthier, or your overall vitality improving as you get older. On the flip side, if it's underpowered, you're more prone to picking up every cold going around, dragging through your days with exhaustion, and taking forever to mend from minor injuries or ailments. The exciting part? You hold the reins to amp it up without relying on artificial boosts. Let's kick things off with the essentials your body craves to keep this army in top shape. Phase 1. Fuel up those defense warriors with smart nutrition. Think of food as the premium gasoline for your immune engine. Those frontline cells need a steady supply of key building blocks, vitamins, minerals, and protective compounds, to operate at peak efficiency and repair themselves after battles. Take vitamin C, for instance. It's like a turbo boost for your white blood cells, helping them zero in on and destroy pathogens more effectively. You can load up on it from fresh citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, vibrant kiwis, crunchy bell peppers in red or yellow hues, and juicy strawberries. Aim to incorporate these into your meals or snacks daily. Maybe slice some peppers into a salad or blend strawberries into a morning smoothie. Then there's vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, because your skin produces it when exposed to UVB rays. It flips the switch on immune activation, enabling quicker detection and response to intruders. Beyond sunlight, try getting 15 to 20 minutes of midday exposure on your arms and face without sunscreen. You can find it in fatty fish like salmon, fortified milks or cereals, and egg yolks. If you're in a cloudy climate or spend most time indoors, consider discussing levels with your doc, but natural sources are always the first line. Don't overlook zinc. This mineral is crucial for cell signaling and wound healing, acting as a communication hub for your immune troops. Grab it from pumpkin seeds sprinkled on yogurt, almonds as a handy snack, chickpeas in a hearty hummus, or lentils in soups and stews. A handful of nuts daily can make a big difference without overcomplicating things. Omega-3s deserve a shout-out too. These healthy fats from sources like wild-caught salmon, walnuts tossed into oatmeal, or ground flax seeds in baked goods. Dial down excess swelling in the body, fostering a balanced environment where your immune system can focus on real threats instead of overreacting. The golden rule here? Fill your plate with a rainbow of whole foods. Reds from tomatoes bring lycopene for antioxidant punch. Greens like spinach offer folate for cell production. Purples in berries pack flavonoids to combat oxidative stress. Each shade delivers unique perks, so variety isn't just tasty, It's strategic for building unbreakable defenses. Experiment with meals. A colorful stir-fry with broccoli, carrots, and onions, or a fruit salad, bursting with mangoes, blueberries, and pineapple. Over time, this approach not only strengthens immunity but can improve digestion, skin glow, and even mood stability. Phase 2. Keep hydrated, your body's built-in detox. Flow water might seem basic, but it's the unsung hero in maintaining your immune highway, known as the lymphatic network. This system transports immune cells around your body and sweeps away waste products, but dehydration turns it into a sluggish backroad, allowing toxins to build up and hinder performance. Commit to sipping at least 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses of pure water throughout the day, more if you're active or in hot weather. Start your morning with a full glass to kickstart things and keep a bottle handy as a reminder. Spice it up with herbal infusions. Green tea provides catechins that enhance immune cell function. Holy basil, tulsi, offers adaptogenic properties to combat stress-related dips, or chamomile soothes while adding mild anti-inflammatory benefits. Steer clear of sodas loaded with sugar or excessive booze. These spike inflammation and impair white blood cell activity, essentially handcuffing your defenses. Opt for infused water with lemon slices or cucumber for flavor without the downsides. Proper hydration also supports mucous membranes in your nose and throat, which act as the first barrier against airborne germs. Notice how when you're well hydrated, you feel more alert and your skin looks plumper? That's your immune system thanking you. Phase 3. Make sleep your secret weapon for recharge. Nighttime rest isn't just downtime, it's prime time for immune maintenance. As you drift into deeper sleep stages, your body ramps up production of protective proteins called cytokines, which orchestrate attacks on infections and reduce swelling. Skimping on sleep? That drops cytokine levels and ramps up stress chemicals, leaving you vulnerable. Target 7 to 9 hours nightly for adults. Create a wind-down ritual. Dim the lights, read a book instead of scrolling, and ensure your bedroom is cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Pitch black with curtains or an eye mask and silent, perhaps with a white noise machine if needed. Ditch screens at least an hour pre-bed. Their blue glow suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep time. Trouble sleeping? Try a warm bath with Epsom salts for magnesium relaxation or gentle stretches to ease tension. Fixing sleep habits can resolve many immune woes. Studies show consistent resters get fewer colds and recover 30% faster from vaccines. It's like giving your body a nightly tune-up, emerging stronger each morning. Phase 4. Tame stress, the hidden saboteur of your shield. Ongoing worry is like a constant alarm blaring, flooding your system with cortisol that dials back immune responses and leaves you exposed. It's akin to deactivating your home security while burglars roam free. Counter it with proven techniques. Mindfulness meditation for even 5 minutes daily can lower cortisol by 20%. Deep belly breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4. Resets your nervous system, or a quick outdoor stroll reconnects you with nature's calming vibes. View mental wellness as intertwined with physical. Your brain signals directly impact immune cells via the vagus nerve. Foster positivity through journaling gratitude or listening to uplifting podcasts. Small shifts yield big gains. Less stress means fewer sick days, sharper focus, and a more resilient you overall. Phase 5. Get moving, boost circulation for faster response. Physical activity is the accelerator for your immune patrol, pumping blood faster so cells can scout and neutralize threats efficiently across your body. No need for marathon training. 30 minutes of moderate effort, like a brisk neighborhood walk, bike ride through the park, or yoga flow at home, does the trick. These enhance endorphin release, which naturally bolsters defenses and improve lung function to expel germs better. Watch for overkill, though. Extreme sessions spike stress hormones, potentially dipping immunity short-term. Listen to your body. If you're sore or fatigued, opt for rest or light activity. Balance is key. Consistent movement not only fortifies immunity but aids weight management, heart health, and mental clarity. Try tracking steps with a phone app to stay motivated. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 daily. Phase 6. Nurture your gut. Home base for 70% of immunity. Surprising fact, the majority of your immune operations headquarters in your intestines, where billions of microbes influence how your body spots and fights dangers. Support this microbiome with probiotics from fermented goodies. Plain yogurt topped with fruit for breakfast, kefir smoothies for creaminess, sauerkraut as a tangy side to sandwiches, or kimchi in stir-fries for spice. Pair with prebiotics, fiber that feeds good bugs, from bananas in oatmeal, garlic minced into dressings, onions sautéed in meals, or whole oats for sustained energy. A thriving gut means smarter immunity. It reduces allergies by teaching tolerance to harmless stuff and amps up resistance to pathogens. Signs of gut imbalance: bloating, irregular bowels, or frequent infections. Address with these foods to restore harmony. Over weeks that you'll likely notice better energy, fewer cravings, and stronger overall health. Phase 7. Clean up your habits. Avoid toxin overload. Immunity thrives not just on additions but subtractions. Everyday exposures from cigarettes, heavy drinking, or junk snacks bombard your system, forcing it to divert resources from real protection. Kick smoking for good. It damages lung linings and impairs cell function. Cut back alcohol to occasional moderation. Excess dehydrates and inflames. Swap processed treats for fresh alternatives. Apples over chips, grilled chicken instead of fried. Embrace outdoor time. Forest bathing or park visits expose you to beneficial microbes and lower cortisol via phytoncides from trees. Clean living extends to household products. Opt for natural cleaners to reduce chemical burdens. This detox approach lightens your immune load, freeing energy for vitality. Phase 8. Embrace joy, bonds, and laughter for emotional boost. Feelings aren't fluffy, they directly tune your immune dial. Chuckling heartily spikes natural killer cells, elite fighters against viruses, and even early cancer threats per research. Strong ties with friends and family release oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, which counters stress and enhances healing. Make time for calls, dinners, or hobbies together. Isolation weakens defenses as much as poor diet. Cultivate happiness, watch comedies, play with pets, or volunteer. Positive emotions build resilience, turning your immune system into an optimistic powerhouse. The critical error everyone overlooks. Drumroll, the top slip-up: relying on pills or powders as a shortcut while ignoring foundational habits. Supplements can't patch a lifestyle riddled with junk food, sleepless nights, endless tension, and couch potato days. Your defenses mirror your daily choices, not a bottle on the shelf. True strength comes from consistency, not quickies. If illnesses hit more than half a dozen times yearly, fatigue is your constant companion, or scrapes linger unhealed, flag it with your physician. It could signal deficiencies, hormone glitches, or persistent inflammation needing targeted checks. Better safe than sorry. Early intervention prevents bigger issues. Wrapping it up, unleash your inner healer. No need for wonder drugs or extreme cleanses. Your body is wired for protection and recovery. Just supply the basics. Wholesome eats, restorative sleep, regular motion, stress mastery, and heartfelt connections. That's the formula for unshakable immunity, crafted from within. This is Dr. John Barrasso signing off from Dr. Lab, your trusted bridge between science and superb health. If this sparked something in you, smash that like button, spread it to your circle, and hit subscribe for more evidence-based wellness wisdom. Keep thriving, stay protected, and always recall, your immune system is the ultimate guardian, ready to rise when you do.